Welcome to Braylen AV. We'll discuss 12 ways millionaires make money online. Afterwards, we'll get into how to create an online store, so please stick around to the very end. If you haven't yet, please subscribe and click the notification bell. Ways to make money online are vastly increasing. Compared to opening a local store, starting an internet business is much easier. It only requires some effort and work. Virtually everything may be sold online, and you can start selling right away to achieve your millionaire goals. So, if you've been debating whether to start earning money online, now is the time. Number 1. Affiliate marketing. Becoming an affiliate is receiving a commission for generating leads or sales for an item or service. To manage their programs, affiliates utilize their blogs, websites, Facebook groups, pages, email marketing, and other similar online platforms. Once you begin bringing in viewers, and get people to see your affiliate offers, it is a terrific method to make passive income. Number 2. Selling products. Understanding what to sell online is the first step. Your products don't have to be physical, you can easily sell digital products such as ebooks. Number 3. Selling services. Online product sales may undoubtedly be lucrative, but they are by no means the only option to make money. Selling services online is a sometimes forgotten, but potentially profitable strategy. For people in a variety of situations. Whether you are a specialist in a certain field, or are currently providing services offline and want to grow selling online, this is an excellent choice. Number 4. Selling advertising. Selling advertising provides several advantages for every entrepreneur thinking about generating revenue from their website. Designating accessible areas of your site for ad hosting is a requirement. Ads take many forms, such as banner ads, sponsored content, or videos. Selling ads can develop into millions of dollars in profit, if you have the right procedures in place. Number 5. Sell courses. One area that has experienced tremendous expansion is the creation and sale of online courses. This method of earning money is continuous, and not a one-time payment. There is a huge and rising need for excellent courses. You have the opportunity to interact with your students, give them upgrades and more challenging coursework, and create a passive revenue stream. If you're able to deliver excellent material and connect with your target audience, creating and selling online courses may be highly lucrative. You'll undoubtedly start thinking about adding new courses once you start seeing sales, if you want to expand your business and earn more money. Therefore, it is crucial to automate courses and selling, so that you can concentrate on what really matters, creating new courses. Start earning money right away. Number 6. Sell ebooks. Ebooks are great for earning passive income. Book publishing is one of the most profitable businesses, and one that offers a terrific route to generating money online for an entrepreneur. Publishing and selling ebooks online, specifically. There is a significant upside to this low-cost, low-risk company opportunity. Determine the sort of ebook you want to sell, the source of the material, the location where you will sell it, and the internet promotion strategy. Now that you are aware of the potential financial rewards of selling ebooks, it is time to get going. Writing worthwhile content requires some work, and creating a powerful brand that can propel your ebook to success takes time. However, if everything is set up properly, you can generate income that can last for a very long time. Number 7. Membership and members-only content. One of the top internet income streams continues to be blogging. The main goal is to have exclusive quality content your members will enjoy, and to identify a viable monetization strategy. The more work you put into it today, the more money you'll make over time. Number 8. Sponsorship. One tactic you can use to make money is to collaborate with marketers on sponsored content initiatives. Businesses collaborate with websites and influencers in sponsored content campaigns to market their goods and services. Working with the appropriate companies might benefit your audience as well. You have the chance to satisfy the demands of your audience when you collaborate with organizations that share their interests and suggest goods and services that you really believe in. If you can provide results for them on a single campaign, it gives you the opportunity to propose a continuing long-term collaboration. This makes for a reliable source of income. Number 9. Freelancer. It takes time to build a freelance career, therefore it's common to start as a side hustle before moving full-time. Developing your abilities and diversifying your revenue will help you expand to millions of dollars. In the beginning, it involves a lot of time, effort, and smart placement. Freelancing can be difficult if all you do is one-off projects, but if you get customers to sign up for a monthly recurring service, you're in the money. This gives you the consistency and predictability that the freelancing lifestyle sometimes lacks. Number 10. Blogging. Blogging is a low-cost business venture with the potential to generate millions of dollars. To put it simply, it's a website that dives into a particular subject. A blog is normally a portion of your website, and it requires frequent updates through the addition of new content. While this writing expands, your site can rank on search engines for a wide range of keywords. Bloggers make money on more than simply monthly income, which opens the door for endless possibilities. Number 11. An influencer. Influencers may generate income in a number of ways, such as by writing sponsored blog posts, running webinars, or even participating in conventional advertising campaigns. In addition to having more followers, more viewers increase the value of their published content. Receiving compensation from businesses, brands, and services is most typical. They often have to provide material and receive payment at the agreed-upon rate. Some people also pay commissions, exactly like affiliate marketing in joint ventures. By focusing on growing their audience and utilizing their online presences, many social media influencers have made millions. Number 12. Online webinars and workshops. A premium product is offered at the end of a free webinar. People have the option to buy your product or service and advance their learning. Your goods will sail live if you properly marketed your webinar and educated your audience. There are thousands of ways to earn money online. However, the key to your success is choosing the appropriate products and the proper target market. Just like operating any other business, selling online involves work and business acumen. You'll need to figure out how to source your items, advertise online, draw viewers, and create and keep a clientele. You need a growing audience if you want to make millions, so start now. Create an account with a website builder, become familiar with its templates and features. As you learn, also think about how much money you want to make. Now, research the products or services that are known to bring in that amount. Once you decide on your product or service, find your top 3 to 5 competitors. What website style and keywords do they all have in common? What social media platforms are they on? Evaluate their offer and figure out what sets you apart from them. Learn the fundamentals to drive traffic, visitors, to your website. Without growing website viewers, you have no online business. We hope we're able to assist you in achieving your internet millionaire goals. Here are 2 more videos we know will bring you value.